Yo guys, what's up? It's the Humble Gamer here, and I'm here with my new professional gaming PC build. So right here, as you can see, is if you read it out, right here, professional gaming PC build. It has a i3 core Intel, very powerful. You run like the fastest softwares on that. 4 gigs of DDR3. Like, dude, you'll like run games at like super fast, super duper fast frequencies. Windows 7 Professional, that's about the best thing about this computer, to get Windows 7 for free, or you can have Windows 8. Let's go down here to the specifications. 500 gigs of memory on your hard drive. You can download like 1 million games on that without like taking up like 10 gigs. God, awesome Intel HD graphic 2500. Dude, you run like Battlefield 4 full settings, Crisis 3 full settings, 100 frames per second, no joke. And then we got this right here, the 300-watt power supply, man. You can install like two 780 Ti's in that bitch, and it's like, wow, it's like totally awesome. It's not gonna overheat or anything because you have a 300-watt power supply that totally supports it. Alright. Um. What else we got here? All the memory, like I said, is really fast. It's clocked at 1333. Very fast, the fastest you can get right now. Yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, don't forget to put it out there. Look at this right here, right here, right here, right here. Look at that. Oh, dude, professional, top of the line mouse and keyboard right there. Freaking like HP Super Delta awesome laptop, and the super awesome Pro USB mouse that's made by HP. Really freaking cool. And then here's the inside. That hardcoreness. It's just like freaking super hardcore in there, like pro gaming PC. Got like LEDs in there and shit, and like that's like the processor, and this is like the this is like the memory, I think. No, that's the memory, and this is like the wannabe GPU, and like that's like the 300-watt power supply that I said. It's really fast. And yeah, really great full tower here you get. Really fast. Really cool. Really big. Very spacious. No wires hanging out or anything at all. Nope. And yeah, there you go. Peace out. And thanks for watching my awesome professional PC build.